Hi, my name is Goldie Udani and I'm the founder of Beevolve. Before I started Beevolve, I worked at two startups in US. My very first startup was called StreamSage. We did a lot of interesting things there. We used to do speech recognition and we used to help the Department of Defense, NSA, CIA kind of understand what was being said in the videos or in the audios, and we kind of did a lot of machine learning and natural language processing on the speech to text output and kind of tried to figure out really interesting stuff inside the videos and kind of surface that. Our startup was acquired by Comcast in 2005. The second startup I worked at was Biz360. Biz360 again was a big data analytics startup before big data and analytics became the buzzwords. There I worked on sentiment analysis and machine learning. I collaborated with Christopher Manning, a professor from Stanford University, on building the sentiment analysis engine. And before I joined these two startups, I actually did my master's at USC. Again, most of my coursework was around AI and machine learning and natural language processing. So that's my background for the last 10 years. And after I moved back to India, I started Beevolve. So Beevolve provides a complete social media suite for small businesses. The social media suite has the ability to help small businesses with social media marketing, social media monitoring, and social media analytics. It also has capabilities to engage with people on social media and the ability to build up your follower base or fan base on social media. Right. So we have customers from 16 countries across the world. Pretty much all the customers we have acquired have come through word of mouth, and that has been one of Beevolve's biggest strength. We have been one of the top rated social media monitoring platforms in the market in the last 7 or 8 industry surveys that have come out, and every survey that comes out, we are in the top 10. Yes, we are very profitable, and what makes us unique is we have been in the market for so long that we actually understand what small business and especially a small business marketer needs. So we have designed the entire system keeping that in mind. We know that they care about ROI, so we help them measure ROI. We are one of the couple of platforms in the market today that can measure ROI on social media, and we can and we have the best. Because of my background, we have some of the most sophisticated systems in place to do really micro targeting that really helps a small business. So let's say your target audience is in London or even a suburb of London. We can help you target that micro audience on social media really well. So a typical small business goes through a couple of stages in terms of its social media adoption life cycle. The very first stage is when they're just being introduced to social media. They want to, they create the fan page, they create the Twitter account, and they want to build up fans. They want to build up fans, followers, and right from the very start, Beevolve software starts helping them. We help them build the followers. In fact, like I mentioned in the last answer, we can help them build up the very targeted audience that they are looking for on social media. Once you've built your audience on social media, the next step is how do you engage with them, how do you market to them, and that's again where Beevolve software comes in handy. We help you market across all social media channels. And also, not just market, we help you measure the effort. So we can help you measure how your marketing is going, whether it's engagement metrics or ROI metrics. And once you have established a foothold in social media and you're using it to communicate and talk back with your audience and your customers, then the next step is, are you listening? Are you solving the customer service issues that come up on social media? And that's again where Beevolve's monitoring solution and analytics solutions help in terms of listening to conversations about you, your market, or your competitors, understand how the market is going, and then take action based on that and engage with the right people. So we kind of help a small business through the entire social media adoption life cycle, all the way to providing customer service on social media. If you look at the history of technological evolution, I think a lot of people spent a lot of time in emails. So email marketing became a really big field in its own right. And I think if you look at the trends, people are spending more time on social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, than they ever spent on emails. So I believe that social media as a marketing channel, as a way to reach out to your audience, is going to be even a bigger market than email marketing ever could be.